Good morning students. In the first part of the video, you heard a very melodious poem. I love myself the way I am. I hope everybody must have enjoyed the poem and also tried to learn it. Now let's understand the poem and move on to the first paragraph. Now let's start the poem. I love myself the way I am. Let's move on to the first paragraph. I love myself the way I am. There's nothing I need to change. I'll always be the perfect me. There's nothing to rearrange. I'm beautiful and capable of being the best me I can, and I love myself just the way I am. The poet says he loves himself for the way he is. There is no need to change anything about himself. He is perfect the way he is. The poet believes that there is no need to change or rearrange anything in himself. In other words, we can say that the poet is satisfied with what there is and does not want any change or rearrangements in him. Now let's move on to the second paragraph. I love you the way you are. There's nothing you need to do. When I feel the love inside myself, it's easy to love you. Behind your fears, your rage and tears, I see a shining star, and I love you just the way you are. In this paragraph, the poet addresses another person and emphasizes on the fact that he loves everyone on the way they are and does not feel that they need to change themselves. The love that is within the poet allows him to love others around him and understand that beneath the fear, anger, and sadness, everyone has goodness. The poet feels that we may be afraid or angry sometimes, but inside us we are always shining. The poet finds it easy to love the other person because the poet feels love inside himself. The other person does not have to do anything because the other person too is perfect just as the way he is, and the poet loves them just the way they are. Now come to the third paragraph. I love the world the way it is, 'cause I can clearly see that all the things I judge are done by people just like me. So till the birth of peace on earth that only love can bring, I'll help it grow by loving everything. In this paragraph, the poet then goes to encompass all humanity and say that he loves the way it is because he can clearly see that everything that is happening in the world is being done by people who are similar in most of the ways. The poet also recognizes the fact that love is the only factor that can bring everlasting peace to the world. Peace can grow on earth only through love, and for us to grow, we must always love ourselves for what we are. Love can bring peace because when we love ourselves truly, we will love everyone around us, understand them, and will not judge them. This will bring peace and happiness into the world. Now come to the fourth paragraph. I love myself the way I am and still I want to grow. But change outside can only come when deep inside I know I am beautiful and capable of being the best me I can. And I love myself just the way I am. I love myself just the way I am. Okay. Through these lines, poet says that Though he loves himself the way he is, he also wants to grow and can only do so if he recognizes the fact that change can only come with acceptance and compassion. The poet thinks that change can only come into the world when deep inside ourselves we all know that we are capable of being the best we can, and we love ourselves just the way we are. In this poem, the poet is not content to just love himself but wants to spread this love to others as well and grow with this love. The poet wishes to understand that the world is made up of people who are alike and responsible for the current state of the world and also capable of creating change in it by changing themselves rather than trying to convert others into their way of thinking. Now, at the end, I would like to say that learn to love yourself first instead of loving the idea of other people loving you. Whenever you feel anxious, angry, restless, or sad, just love yourself the way you are. Now I am sure that from now onwards everyone will appreciate themselves and will sing this beautiful poem for themselves and will be positive always. For today up till here only. Tomorrow we will be doing the exercises of the poem. Till then, enjoy learning the poem.